Welcome. I'd like to introduce you to MyHomework. This particular app is created more for students so that they can keep up with their assignments, homework, any tasks that they have. It's a really great organizational tool to help them stay on track. Teachers can also use it to post assignments. So here is the home page right here. So I just go to my homework app, okay, and then I go to my home. Here I've signed in as a teacher, and I have to be frank, I recently got hired, and so I am learning as I go. And so this is one of those apps that I just found out about. Um, Actually from my son, who uses this app to keep track of all of his assignments. And he just opts for this way to keep up with his classes, his projects, and that way he's always staying on top of things. So I've just, for an example, I have submitted an assignment, which is right here. I had the kids create a career pathways worksheet. I'm a family and consumer studies teacher, and this is just one of my classes, and I've got it on repeat. And so this is the class time. Here's a link for it, and I've assigned this particular grade because I teach 3 grade levels in blue, and I can add a class time, so I can add it by time. If you have a block schedule, like my son goes to high school and he uses a block schedule, you can use period based. And for me, it's period, but it's time based because it's very predictable. You can edit the class, change the name of it. Mine is the same class for all 3 levels. And I can put the building, the room number, and what's great about this is parents can use it as well to keep up with their kids. I can put up my syllabus, which I do have. For this particular feature, you do need to upgrade the account, so I'm not going to use that because I want it to stay free. And I can also upload files, which again, you would have to upgrade. But for simplicity, it's great for homework again. You can connect with other teachers. I have one teacher, when I type in my school, that's the name of my school. Here's my middle school right there. And there is one teacher that does use this particular app. So it's kind of nice that you can connect with each other. You can create announcements, okay, from their school and any teachers. And then also you can obviously change your picture, and you can also connect with Facebook. I opted to just go ahead and connect with Google, the same with all of my apps. It's just easier that way, and that way I can streamline all of my apps with just my, I actually have a different, this is my district site. And so with this particular app, I have it aligned with 2 ISTE standards, 4B, which is for critical thinking, problem solving, and decision making. This is a great planning and managing activity to develop a solution or completing a project. So again, it just goes right back to staying organized. And it also falls in line with 6B, which is under technology, operations, and concepts. So you can select and use applications effectively and productively. So this really goes to show how technology has really come a long ways as far as just simple tasks as staying organized. So again, this is web-based, any device, any browser. It costs nothing for the basic uses, and you can always upgrade. And again, it's just geared more for students to use. And that wraps up the app called My Homework.